Welcome back, y'all. My name is Becca, and this is Rio Home Living, and I just lost my voice. So, why I was shopping on West Elm, I have no idea, but I came across this set of 6 bows for $28, y'all. That's crazy. So, my DIY brain sent me to Hobby Lobby, and I found these clip-ons for half off. So, I got 20 for $2.50. Now, these clip-on bow ornaments would have been about $5 each if I would have ordered them, and doing it at home, I only spent 97 cents each. So, yeah, can't say no to that. So, this velvet ribbon my mom had ordered on Amazon. It's a beautiful burgundy velvet. I loved it, and I thought it was perfect because it will keep its shape, and it looks very elegant. So I cut them down to 27 inches each just to keep it consistent and save material. And I just did a double bunny ear bow and just twisted the middle to make it look pretty. And I shaped the tails, and it was so easy, you guys. Anybody can do it. Now, I know it looks easy, but I was already on my 5th one, and it definitely got a lot quicker after the first one. It's always the first one that is a hassle, but once you get the hang of it, it is definitely a lot quicker. So here I am just making it look pretty. I twisted the middle, make it all match. You gotta fluff the ears of the bow, and you can make them as wide as you want or as short as you want. I wanted the ears to be shorter than the tails, so I just played with it till I liked it. Now, I have to do my DIYs on a calm day at home. I like to, have a little bit of alone time, a little bit of quiet time, because it does take a lot of effort and a lot of focus, I guess, to get it right. And if I have a lot of interruptions, it just takes me longer, so I like to do it on a quiet day. Look how precious. I can't. So what you want to do, you're gonna hot glue the clip on the back of the bow, and this glue gun was extremely hot. So I had to wait a few seconds for it to cool down, and you just place the bottom onto the back of the bow, and you just hold and press till it's dry. That way you get a secure hold. And yeah, that's about it, guys. It was so easy, and it saved so much money. These came out so cute and adorable. I even made my mom some, and they were so easy to make. So I forgot I had a flocked tree for this year. My mom bought it on sale last year. So I had to come up with a mood board to see what colors went together well enough with a flocked tree. And I have some burgundy velvet curtains. So this is what I came up with. I tried to keep it as simple as possible, but I did like the blue and green tartan plaid. So I had these ornaments I found at Goodwill. They were $3.99 for the whole entire box. And I came across these plaid ornaments on Etsy, but yikes, $58. So here I come, Hobby Lobby. I saw this plaid, but I thought it was a little too busy. So I found the plaid that I wanted. It was a flannel. So I just got half a yard because I didn't need that many. But if I do the pillows, then I do have to go back for more, probably for about 2 yards more for 2 big pillows. And the fabric was 30% off, so I paid like $2.49 for half a yard. So altogether the ornaments were about $6.50. So I measured to make sure the ends end to end meet in the middle or the top of the ornament, and then I just cut in strips. Now this is my first one, so it took me a lot longer on the first one because you're just like getting the hang of it and the feel of it. But once you're past the first one, it goes by pretty quickly. And I just used Gorilla Glue sticks. And this first one was kind of hard because it was slipping. But again, this is my first one. And I learned to hold it just really, really tight. And you just press down firm. And you start in the middle. Then you go perpendicular. Down the other side, down the middle, all the way across, and again down the middle to cover the whole ornament. Now if you wanted to do thinner strips you could, but I wouldn't go any thicker than this. This is about 1.5 inches. I should have bought those finger protector silicone thingies because the glue gun was so hot. Now I had these old curtains. It's like a gold velvet. So I cut them in strips and used it as a ribbon. But oh my goodness, it was so messy. So after this first one, I did all the ornaments with the plaid first, and then I went and cut the velvet last because that reduced the mess 100%. So yeah, after your first one, you learn from your mistakes and then you make it more efficient for sure. Now looking at these on the tree, I probably would have gone with a lighter color just because my tree is not very bright, but they came out so cute. And I didn't have a lint roller, so I just used the backside of the tape. Now if you like this content, please like and share and subscribe. Thanks y'all, catch you in the next one. Bye.